Welcome to BISP Solution. Yesterday we had an overview about Fusion application, modules of Oracle Fusion application, generating uh, generating reporting tools of Oracle, that is OTBI, BI Publisher, Smart View, FRS. So today we'll create an analysis. Let's see what's today's agenda. So we'll using a BI analysis editor to create analysis and add a chart with analysis using BI Compose. And the second one is create an analysis using BI analysis editor. So let's go to our go to navigator, down to tools, select report and analytics. From here you can either choose this browse catalog, or there's another way to go to analytics. You can write analytics. Click on catalog tab. You'll come to the screen. Okay, I'll go with browse catalog. Let me quickly create an name. I'll give as BISP. Here is our folder. So we are going to create an analysis. So click on new drop down, or from here also you can go create analysis. Okay, so we'll click on analysis. We'll create a simple compensation, like a payroll compensation. We'll choose compensation, workforce assignment, salary real time, subject area. We'll first take the name. So to worker dimension, search for names. We'll drag and drop to column section. Then we'll take payroll frequency and worker payroll dimension. There will be here is payroll frequency. Then we'll take assignment. drop here. Then we'll take business name, business unit name from business unit dimension. Then we'll take department name, and salary information, salary fact. We will take the current salary. These all columns we are going to take. So we go to result and view. So you can see we have generated a simple report which consists of person name, business unit name, payroll frequency, like how frequently payroll they are paying, assignment name, department name, and current salary, the employee's current salary. So we have fetched the basic payroll, the employee. Change the name for change the department name to department. Let me tell you the navigations. Click on this gear icon on the column, go to column properties, then on column properties select column format, then here just tick mark this custom heading, and in the column heading you can the name, I'll keep it as department, click OK, and I can think everything is okay. Save. Person name, I'm going to click OK. Now we want to add a graph. So what we'll go to click here, we'll navigate to the where we save the analysis, saved on. So click BISP here, click on these three dots on the right hand side and edit. Yes, there is any warning. So the same report with which we generated on OTBI is present in PI Composer. Click next. Here, give the on the left hand side, enter the title. I'm going to give salary, and select the table. Then you have to check this preview to view the table. Okay. In the graph section, there are many graphs: pie, scatter, area, line, line bar. So but the recommended one is bar. I'm going to take the bar. And there is another. Don't worry about this error. We'll fix it in. So let's fix this. edit graph. So select this group name. You can see there's additional layout options. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to move this name to excluded field. Okay, then payrolls frequency also will move to excluded. Then on the assignment name, exclude. I think the business unit we haven't take. We will take the business unit as well. Business unit. We'll move this little up above department. Okay, now we'll again go to edit graph. Here you can see my department and a business unit name. So we are simply we are moving this department also to excluded, and you can see this business unit. I'm going to group by with business unit. So here is the graph you can see. Okay, now let us move this department also to prompt for. So you can see the graph. It is saying this is the current salary. Okay, and the business unit names. Okay, so it is fetching us the details of current salary and business unit of how much salary a business unit is paying. Okay, each department. We'll click on next. We'll again click on next. Important filter. So this is the highlight. We don't want to highlight anything here, so we'll simply click on next. Okay, here we need to submit it. We have already saved, so we simply need to submit the report. We'll click on submit. Person. Okay, I cannot. We'll change the name of the. We'll simply give it analysis name 1. We'll click on submit. Analysis saved successfully. Please close the window. Current browser tab is already okay. So our report has been saved. So now let's look into our another agenda. Create an analysis using BI analysis editor. Go to BI analysis. BI. So let us create a basic worker info report. Again, we are going to create a basic info which consists of it's his date of birth, first name, last name, grade name, job name, and department. From BISP, we'll click on create, then analysis, same process. Then we'll select workforce management, workforce management. Worker assignment, workforce management. Mm, Let me search for course management. Okay, let us create that report and BI Composer. Uh, Create, then analysis. We'll search for force. Workforce management. Worker assignment real time. We'll click on continue, and we'll take the columns. Okay, so we'll take the person number, sorry. Click on worker. From worker, you number, person number. Click on move, and we'll take person date of birth. Person date of birth, and we'll take first name, then last name, then we'll take the grade name also. You'll find it in grade, his grade dimension. So here is grade name. Okay, then we'll take job name also, in job dimensions. Here is job name. Move it. Then we'll take department name. Let me preview it. Click on preview, give it a name, employee info. Click on table. I'm going to directly save this in shared folder, custom BISP. Analysis name will give that employee information. Description, employee information. me refresh. Where we created that uh, folder where it went, I don't know actually. Okay, just we'll create another folder. Yeah, yes. Okay, custom, custom share. Let me try and refresh this. Okay, here it is. Yeah, this is employee. Which we created. Okay, there it is. We'll go to result and view the table. Okay, this look nice. Uh, Suppose if I want to uh, fetch a report which consists of department, which is APCA. Okay, so I'll go to criteria. I'll apply a filter on department name. I'll convert this to SQL. And I forgot it here in Notepad. Notepad. APAC. Okay. We'll go to criteria. We'll click on this department name, gear icon. Then from there we'll choose the filter to apply any filter on the columns. Okay, so click this filter. Uh, this value section will provide you you can only put any values over here. So since we don't want to apply any values like in numeric values, so we'll choose this convert this filter to SQL. I click on convert this to SQL. Here is a basic SQL query. We'll provide the department name. This is AP. We'll put single quotes and we'll simply click OK. Now let's see the result, the output. So as you can see, the report is only showing for the department which is APAC. Okay, so this is how we can apply some filters. Okay, and further create another report. See how we can use filter move, the practical use of filters. We'll create another analysis. Here what we are doing, we are creating an probation expiry report which will show that we can check in advance whose probation is going to end in next 30 days. Okay, so we'll look for workforce management, uh, workforce management, management, real time. This is the subject area we are going to take. So let us quickly take, I can't write here. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to fetch the worker whose probation going to in next 30 days. Okay, so what all columns we might need? We'll need firstly we need person number, and we need name. We'll take name, then we'll take hire date, and also take probation end date. Then probation period, probation probation sorry probation period, then probation unit, mm, business unit name. We'll take department name as well, and name, and lastly we'll take job name. Okay, so these are the columns we are going to take. So let us quickly create, select the columns. So first, what exactly? First, we need person number. So we'll go to worker. Then from here, select person number, drag and drop. Now we'll take display name of the employee. We'll take manager name from manager. From here we'll take manager name. Okay, then we'll select hire date. Okay. This is this is exactly hire date, relationship start date. Okay, so provision and so provision. Okay, let us check department. Business unit name also we need. So business unit name. Okay. Department. Department name will take, and job name from job section. Job name. Okay. Working duration. This is provision end date. What we require, probation period and a probation unit. So I think we have covered everything. Okay. Let's see the result. So it is working. Let me save this. Proceed further. Save probation. Okay. Now come back to criteria tab. We'll select probation date. Probation end date. We'll apply filter on probation end date. Okay. So simply go here icon. Sorry. Click on filter and then click on convert this filter to SQL. So we want provision period. Who is going to end? The employee detail who is going to end his probation in next 30 days. So what we are going to first we need to fetch the current date. First we need to fetch the date which is greater than the current date. So simply we'll add a condition where employee probation end date is greater than current date. Okay, so this is the first condition we are going to apply to this query. Okay, so click on OK, and as you can see the query has been applied. Now we want to give a again provide a filter. Okay, like it should not be greater than 30. Okay, 30 days, like a month. So what we are going to do, we'll again click on this and we'll select the filter. Okay, and we'll again convert this to S. Click OK. Now we will give another condition where probation end date is less than equal to current date plus 30. So what it is going to do, it is going to check for the condition where probation date is less than equal to current date plus 30. So suppose today's date is 10. Okay, so it will add the 30 days and check if probation date, any employee probation date is in between 10 or plus 30. Let's say 10 next month 10. Okay, so we'll click on okay. So here, as you can see, it is uh, uh, and is written. So it is a logical operator. What it will do, it will. These are the two conditions which we have applied. So what it is going to do, it will check the first condition. If it is true, and it will then check the second condition. Suppose it is false, so it will not provide any output. So let's say if current date, okay, if the provision date uh, is less than provision date, okay, like current date, sorry, like it is 9, so it will not take that as an output, like that has already ended. Okay, so now let's see the output of this. Click on result. Okay, so there is no result. Okay, the specified criteria didn't result in any data, so this condition is not working accordingly. So let us change the condition first. uh, I'll click on this pencil icon. It says edit filter, so we'll click on edit. Let me search for 2 months. We'll add 60. Okay, uh, we'll click on result. uh, let us let me take for 4 months. Okay, 4 months will take. Okay, so for the fourth month, it is switching me something. Okay, so let us check it once. What conditions we applied on provision end date? Okay, so this is 1/5/24. Okay. So the provision period is next next 3 months. Okay, you can see the provision and provision unit. And let us increase and see for check for some more. Okay, okay. Okay, let us increase. Let us look for in next 1 year. We'll see that consists of 365 days. Okay, click on OK. Check for the and click on result tab. Is again fetching me same data. I'll remove this condition. I'll apply another condition. Okay, click on filter. Convert this here to SQL. Is created less than current date. Okay, click OK. Again filter. Convert filter to less than equal to current date. 5. Okay. So now it is and okay. Okay, it's fetching me for 1 year also. It is fetching me single percentage. So let's leave this. Okay, I'll explain you this. So, so uh, we have covered all the agendas of our day. Like we have created an analysis using BI analysis editor, and we have added a chart. Let me revise you quickly. So this is the chart. We here we created the chart. This is person salary. Mm, Just I want to click that. Edit. Okay. Select next. Then we'll again get the don't know what is happening. Person table. We'll select bar. Click on preview. Okay. Yeah. We have to edit this. We'll move to exclude. We'll exclude this also. We'll exclude assignment name also and department name as well. Okay. So this is the graph we created, and let me add this department name department also to prompt. This was the we created this report into OTBI, and then we added a graph in using BI Composer, and we also created two reports using OTBI only. Like this is a simple report which we created, and we applied a filter on this, and in the second report we created this person's salary. Yeah, we created this probation where we fetched uh, probation the person detail whose probation is about to finish in next 30 or you can say 1 year. So thanks for watching today's session. Meet tomorrow.